Welcome to Family Homestead Life. Today we'll tell you how to prepare and protect young grape shoots for the winter. Subscribe to our channel for the new useful videos. Elite grapes need shelter from freezing in the autumn-winter period. It is especially necessary to cover 1-year-old plant shoots. The following method has proven itself best. Dig a small trench under the vine, 4 inches deep. After pruning, the vine gathers in one row and fits into a prepared trench. Pin the vine tightly to the ground. It is advisable to fill in a light layer of sand, which improves air circulation. Cover the vine with agrofiber, which will also provide air exchange. Sprinkle with soil on top. Stay with Family Homestead Life and happy wintering!